Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically FOREX trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the stock indice review, and I want to go ahead and get started with how important the price of gold is. Right, so before we go into shorts and longs that are highlighted in blue and green here, the green and the yellows are highlighted by shorts and the blues are highlighted by longs. In pre-market, gold was down significantly. It had hit its Z3 excursion here, passed the Z3, and then bounced off of it. Right now the price is around 1978, but since it was down and the DXY was down, it directed the markets to go up. So in this sense, we focused on all of the blues here: WebL, SOXL, TQQQ, TechL, BullZ, FNGU, and these are the longs that I wanted to focus on. So we went ahead and purchased on the open, sold on the close, and we got a nice intraday total here. Markets look like they're kind of melting up in a sense. And what that means is since the dollar is so weak that it's hitting maybe a little bounce here off the RL90, but probably go down all the way down to the Z3 here. And what we see here on the dollar is that we do have a target of 102.66 to the downside. The thing is that this is a lazy head and shoulders, even kind of slumping down there. There may be a little dead cat bounce off the RL90 for tomorrow, kind of stable prior to the news that comes out on Wednesday as far as the Fed. This thing is very weak, and it could go all the way down here to the Z3 here. Gold, on the other hand, is very strong. Zip past the Z3, took a little break off the Z3 excursion, and will continue up. Right now, on the weekly, it's currently at the RL290, right at the base. So this could launch tomorrow to the upside. So we're looking at a target right now, currently at 2048, with the Z3 excursion on the weekly at about 2045. So we do have some momentum to the upside based upon potential that the Fed does not raise rates, which we do have a target of 44.81 if they do not. If they do raise rates, then we have all the targets here: the RL270, Z3 excursion again, and then this, which is a very wide Z3 excursion. We could potentially see more price action to the downside. For the NASDAQ, seems to be the strongest of the two. We do have potential to the upside. This Z3 target of 12,406. We do have another target of 14,618. So it could go all the way up here to hit it prior to the announcement or after the announcement. Dow is currently at the Z3 excursion right now, which is also covered by the 200. Then it has the RL270 up above it. We'll see what it continues to go, and potentially has price action up here to the RL270. So if we look at trades, we had WebL, SOXL, TQQQ, TechL, BullZ, and good old FNGU. All right, so this is a good overall day for a counter trend trade and all that. Just make sure that you keep your eye on gold and the dollar in determining, as far as pre-market, which direction you want to go ahead and trade. I did not trade any of the shorts at this point. So looking at GDXU, even though it was up, I did not trade it because gold was down, for the day. However, it did end up continuing its price action to the upside, which shows that there is a lot of strength behind gold. Silver also went up, and of course natural gas came crashing down. It's up against the RL270, and it does have an RL90 to get beyond. So we'll see what happens for tomorrow. But price action, we'll see what it is in pre-market going forward. If gold is still down in pre-market, then we will go for the longs. If it is up in pre-market, we will be trading the shorts. Sort of exactly what we're doing Friday. We are going to be facing an increase in M2 money supply based on all these bailouts for all these banks across the world. Credit Suisse was also bailed out. There are over 186 banks that are also in potential risk of default. So you have to be careful here in terms of our trading. It's highly volatile, highly risky. as far as what's going forward, and the Fed is leading the way on whatever direction we're headed to, either be a down move or an up move. If you like these strategies going forward, or if you like programming in PyScript and Python, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Be safe trading out there, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.